All right. Ugh. The oil is done. So now I'm just gonna go to step 2. And I'm gonna go start cleaning little pieces here and there. Because I like my work area clean and my parts clean. As clean as I can get them. So I can inspect them and see what needs to be replaced. Right now this is a little bit coated in oil from the previous owner. So we're just giving it a quick clean. Okay. Just a quickie. We have to get back down here later. Okay, like that. Clean this, clean this. There's a lot of cake on grease. Well, yep, just trying to clean this up. So I'll be right back because I need my 2 hands here to clean up the transmission. Might change that module and I might change the fluid out of here. So stay tuned on that. I don't know if I'm going to show you that because I'm using my phone for recording. But yeah, I have to change the oil. So let's see how that goes. All right, I'll see you guys later. All right, we decided to drain the pan to see the condition of the oil since we haven't done it since we bought the car. I'm gonna take off all these bolts. They're 10 millimeters. As you can see, they're 10s. So I'm gonna be loosening them right now. So can't do it with this camera because this is the cell phone. So just letting you know, I'm taking all these bolts off, taking the pan off, and yeah, I'm gonna go and change the filter and put back the pan and it should be good to go. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Not too much excitement. So, all right, off again, off to work. See you.
We're recording this. I know it's gonna be a mess, but I got 3 more bolts and this thing should be flying right out of here. Hopefully it doesn't fall on my face and splash everywhere, because I'm holding one hand with my cell phone and the other, as you see on the camera, twisting each bolt. Actually, I should not loosen everything. I should just break the seal and let it leak. But I don't have a way to stand this camera and see myself. Let's see, right there. I think that should be a right angle. It wasn't a right angle till the wind blew. Right here at the angle. Right there. Okay. I need a screwdriver. Oh, going back. Going back. Hope I have the right gasket for that and filter. It says it's supposed to be for the Mazda, so. Alright, I want to open this from the edge right here so it tilts and there's a splash on me, but I can't find an opening. Can't find an opening. Okay. Damn, I gotta do the opposite way. Okay, like that. That's more better. Guess I'm not gonna get splashed. Okay. There you go. Blood. A lot of blood. Woo! I knew that shit was gonna happen. Woo! See, Janice, it ain't easy working on a car. Don't follow those Instagram crap. Those YouTube influencers. God damn. pan has a little weight to it because of the liquid. Trying not to make a mess here. I'm failing. Flip this around since this has an existing hole. Like that. Wow. I love the smell of transmission on me. Smells like the next perfume hit. You should call it something like Paris, like Rouge. Transmission Rouge. This also takes like 4.6 quarts of transmission fluid, or both 5 in case, 4.2, 4.6. Same with the oil. Woo! All right. Didn't want to become a mess, but too bad. It became a mess. Damn, this oil is dripping all over down my arm. I got 2 more bolts to go. Alright, I need a wrench or ratchet. Where are you? Oh. I have to use my other arm to hold, and the other two to... The other one to loosen. Ooh, almost dropped it. Oh, come on. Where's my damn socket? Ooh. Everything's so slippery. And I got 1 more bolt. Oh, God damn it. It flipped the opposite way. Oh. I look like I murdered a damn pig. Come on. Okay, last bolt. And she's off. Nice and slow. Oh yeah, that got to be coated in oil. Oh, God help me. God. Ooh, there you go. Leave me alone. God damn it. Oh, there's oil. Oh, this ain't Halloween. Oh. Alright. Did you record anything? Yes, it did. I don't know whether... I'm not sure what it recorded, but it recorded right at the oil pan. I don't know about the spill. My arm is coated with oil, so I'm gonna go wash up. Damn. Alright. See ya. Alright, guys. I didn't record too much last night since it was very busy. I'm at work. Getting out of work, so we're gonna check underneath any leaks. Pretty dry, very dry. I love it. I love it. I might have to top off the fluid, but so far we're good. My job was a success. It did travel me to work with no issue. Seems a little more smoother with the oil change, the 2 oil changes, the oil and the transmission. Seems smoother. A little fast, this little truck. Oh, it's hot in here. Ugh. Does have AC, but it's not working at the moment. It had a line that had a hole in it. I did repaired it, you know, the best that I could. But you know, she bought the wrong Freon, and it's in the system, and it doesn't cool as much. So I have to buy like a, well, I'm not buying right now, but there's a system that has to suck up all the Freon from there. It takes like an hour or 2 hours to suck everything up, and then you transfer the new Freon on there without any leaks in the system, and also no moisture in the system. Right now she's good. She has a little shake, a little bit, but not that bad. Again, she just started, so right now it's like close to 90 degrees. I'm getting off of work. We're gonna go through the back roads and try. All right, going through the backwoods. Gotta go with the camera. That's one. They kicked it a bit, so we need to just let it roll. So I get a far enough distance from that camera, even though it's covered by the school buses. Speed bumps, gotta be careful with those. Speed bump over there. She might need a slight tune up in adjustment, but for now she shifts pretty fast. Okay. 1. I think it's 2. I think that was fast. 3. Can't tell. See if I can kick it a little more. 35. It's going nice and fast. Going to 40. Slow it down. Curve. Nothing's funny. Everything's good. Using the car like it was meant to be used. Okay. So fast and slow. Nothing funny. No shaking. No vibrations. No sounds. Steering was pretty solid. Traffic is nothing in the front, nothing in the back. I can even stop in the middle of the road right now. Like this, something like this. Ready? And 1, 2. Can't tell. Because it goes so fast. Steering could be a little more tighter. It's a little tad loose. But I'm always used to my lift back, my Corolla. I don't see nothing going on. You know, the transmission shifts well, fast. We were going 40 until I was going too fast. Hitting the curve. Have to slow down on the curve. Now we're going to take that famous hill. We're in the middle of the forest, so the sun is blocking, it's not hitting as hard, not heating up the cell phone or the car. I see 2 ships. Okay. That's 2 at 25.
3 at 40, but you have to let go of the gas. Damn, that car's slow in front of me, so I can't kick it. Maybe I'll stop here. Like this. 1. 2. 40. 45. Stopping. Okay. Keep your distance. Make sure your brakes work. Everything seems to be functioning. So far, so good. Alright, so this is the end of the trip. I've made one trip around. I can't adjust it at the moment because I don't have the tools, and it's a little low, this car, so, and the exhaust is right there and I can't stick my hand in there. It's pretty hot. So I'm gonna readjust it next time. Because I think we're gonna keep the car for a couple of days. Make sure everything's working. That's 1 shift, 2 shift, and it's going pretty fast at 30 right now. I don't know if it was the 3rd shift already. Easy. And... all right, since I tried to record me driving up the hill, couldn't do that because my phone overheated twice, but she drove pretty well. Looking for leaks. Any leaks? Pretty dry. Very dry. Ugh. At the moment we fill it up with gas, so she should be okay. At $30 for five, almost 6 gallons. Let's see what this reads. Right there, nice. Before I start the engine, well, let's see. She does shift well. She shifts very quick at the 20, and then the second one shifts at 25, and then the third one, I believe, is at 30. With normal pressure on the pedal, you know, not too excessive. When you go too much, then it starts to jerk a bit, you know, go a little too fast, you know, like it kicks. But when you go a certain pressure, like slow pressure, then it shifts smoothly. So it probably needs a light adjustment or a carburetor adjustment on it. But she runs, she shifts, it shifts all 3 shifts. Not sure about the overdrive because it was on, but it probably has the overdrive as well. So now we're gonna just go jet home. All right, there we go. Gauge is all good. Full tank of gas almost, and that's it. You know, I would have had good content driving up that hill, but this camera shut off on me, the cell phone. Overheating issues. It's an old phone. Right now it's even darkening on me, so. All right, gonna go. See you guys in a second.